lights my day. In the twilight, laughter leads our way. Soon Ethan dies right, our love sweet blue. Cuddled on the couch, wrapped in your arms, the world fades away. We travel hand in hand, our hearts entwined. Inspiring dreams, our souls combine. Amie, my love, my guiding star so bright. With you and our children, my life's pure delight. Cuddled on the couch, wrapped in your arms, the world fades away.
Well, the moment I've been waiting for, after years of planning, and the occasional where's the relationship going moment, I sat down with the kids, all serious, my heart pounding, and I asked them, will you let me marry your mom?
We travel hand in hand, our hearts entwined.
Zenith, he immediately say, of course. And then Azzy, on the other hand, she had questions. There were some pauses, some confusions, some tears. But after some deep conversation with her, she did say yes. I promise to love you and those two amazing kids with everything I've got. So here I am, ready to ask you the big question.
Down on one knee, asking you to spend forever with me. Amie, will you marry me?
Yes, we'll marry you.
Star so bright. With you and our children, my life's pure pleasure. Cuddled on the couch, wrapped in your arms, the world fades away.